Deserts worldwide are expanding. Causes include overfarming, overlogging, overgrazing, climate change, and drought. In response, governments are scrambling to plant trees. However, these projects often consist of single tree species planted in densely packed rows, only to be harvested to make paper later. My name's Sebastian, and together with my friend Adnan Al-Alim, we co-founded Legacy Root. We're all about restoring diverse, abundant plant communities. We do this by supporting plants that naturally grow in damaged earth, using solid water. These potassium-based superabsorbent granules trap water in the topsoil in order to keep it hydrated. They also release water directly to the plant's roots, letting them grow up to 15% faster and survive up to 3 times longer without watering. Proud as we are of our technology, the main key to plant abundance is ecological succession, the natural process through which eroded soil restores itself. It begins with the very first plants to colonize damaged earth, pioneer species. In the early stage, they're mostly herbs, grasses, and mosses, but though these plants are small, they do some serious lifting. They capture nitrogen, retain water, and attract vital animals and insects, so that gradually other plants can move in to form a new forest. The only downside is that ecological succession takes decades, which is why governments prefer to plant trees in the first place. But although naturally regrowing a plant community starts slow, it is exponential growth, and that is where our opportunity lies. Because solid water helps plants sprout, survive longer without water, and speeds up their growth, it can help pioneer plants survive their tough environment. The idea is that this accelerates ecological succession, which will hopefully lead to faster soil recovery. How much faster depends on many factors, such as the soil's current health, its naturally occurring plants, and of course, the climate. But to give you an example of its potential, let's take a look at the Panama rainforests. There, ecologists found that after just 5 days of no rainfall, 40% of pioneer plant seedlings would die. Yet when they watered them, nearly all of them survived into adulthood. Now, solid water obviously can't match daily watering by a trained ecologist. But people come and go, while solid water remains active in soil for up to 10 years, depending on its microbial activity. This means that even if solid water would only increase plant survival rates by 20%, while the aggressive Panama jungle bacteria break it down after just 5 years, one single application of solid water could still lead to 87% more pioneer plants in the area than normal. Of course, this is still hypothetical, but with your help, we can put solid water to the test. Our goal is to document to what extent pioneer plants survive better on solid water and whether that helps soil restore faster. If we manage to reach 65,000 euros, we can set up an experiment with ecologists from the Dutch University of Wageningen. Granted, it would be a small experiment, but if successful, can lead to bigger projects in the future. To sweeten the deal, should you choose to support us, you too can get to try solid water. Sure, it's meant for deserts, but it's also great for your own plants. Whether you're away from home a lot, have more plants than you have time for, or just tend to forget to water them, like me. So how about it? Will you stand with us? For now, once again, we're Legacy Root. Thank you for your attention and stay safe.